Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload an image to ChatGPT. So let's get started the video. To upload an image, first open the ChatGPT app. Now tap the plus icon in the message bar. Here you will see two different options for image. Use the camera icon to take a new photo, or you can use the photo icon to choose a photo from your phone. Let's click on the photo icon. Now select the image from your mobile phone. Click on the add button. Now you can enter a prompt. Once you are done, tap the send button to send your photo. And there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.